What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Honor X9 5G smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs, display, the content we got inside this retail box and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box of the device. So here we got the Honor X9 branding. This is a 5G capable device. A picture showing the front and back of the device. The device we got inside comes in titanium silver color. We got 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. This is a dual SIM smartphone and again this is a special review unit, not for sale. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is our Honor X9 5G in titanium silver. We got the SIM card tray ejector pin, a silicon TPU case for the back panel, a USB Type-C cable, and we got a 66-watt Honor Supercharge charger. As you can see, there is no earphones provided in the retail box and there are no warranty card etc. as well, but if you buy the device from the market, you will also get the warranty card, safety information, quick start guide etc. But since this is a special review unit, these things are missing from the retail box of Honor X9. So inside the retail box you will get the smartphone, 66-watt charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM card tray ejector pin, the case for the back panel, and few quick start guides, user manual etc. So here is the Honor X9 5G in titanium silver. It is looking gorgeous for sure. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the first time, let me tell you about few of the other specs of the device. So it comes with a Snapdragon 695 processor, we got 8GB RAM, we got 48 megapixel triple camera setup. It comes with 66-watt charging, 4800 mAh battery. It is running on Android 11 with Magic UI 4.2 and we got a 6.1-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It is a dual SIM smartphone and we got 16 megapixel front facing camera. So the setup is already done actually. Okay, so we are good to go. We don't need to do the setup here and that's the good part. It's gonna save few minutes for us. So here is our Honor X9 5G. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So as you can see that on the front side we got a huge screen with great screen to body ratio. The bezels on the sides and top are extremely thin and nearly negligible. We got just a bit of bezel at the bottom, but it is also very thin. In the center of the display we got a punch hole consisting of 16 megapixel front facing camera. The screen does not come with Gorilla Glass protection, but the Honor X9 5G comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. On the right side we got the volume rockers, we got the power key under which fingerprint sensor is embedded, and you can see this notch, the ridge here, that is perfectly placed for the right-handed guy as well as for the left-handed guy. So it does not matter whether you are a left-handed person or right-handed person, you will be able to use the fingerprint sensor on Honor X9 without facing any issue. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, SIM card tray slot, and at the top we got secondary microphone and an earpiece grill. So I believe this earpiece grill can be used along with the bottom speaker to create a stereo speaker effect. But you need to be careful as well because while making a voice call it might leak some sound outside and other people standing close to you can listen your conversation. But the most beautiful part of the design of Honor X9 5G is the back panel. It is quite minimalistic as it just comes with the Honor branding and the regulatory information are very well hidden. The titanium silver color variant we got changes the color of the back panel in a very nice way and looks beautiful and gorgeous. The camera module is a bit huge but still quite minimalistic and contributes in overall design of the Honor X9. The camera module bump is a bit much, so if you do not use a case on the back panel then it might cause a bit wobbling while you keep the device on the flat surface. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, Honor X9 5G is a very beautiful premium looking device, as the screen to body ratio is huge, the back panel is beautiful, and the device provides a very nice grip while holding it in hand. But it also comes with some drawbacks, as there is no protection on the display. The device does not come with any kind of IP certification or waterproofing. There is no 3.5mm jack, there is no dedicated micro SD card slot as well, and the camera module bump is a bit more. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.81 inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, 94% screen to body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, and support for 120Hz refresh rate. So the PPI you will get is 395, and because of that the display is quite sharp. The viewing angles are great, colors are punchy, and the huge screen to body ratio provides a very nice viewing experience. The touch screen sensitivity is quite nice, and at 120Hz refresh rate you can see the display is very smooth of our Honor X9 5G here. The maximum peak brightness is also quite high, so you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. As you can see, everything else goes dark in the background when I'm manually sliding the brightness level to the max, and this is the lowest brightness level. So this is also quite nice because you will be able to use the device in low light scenario without putting a strain on your eyes or using the blue light filter mode. Talking about the software side, Honor X9 5G comes with Android 11 and Magic UI 4.2. So you can see that we got some Honor applications like Honor Store, My Honor, and then we got Calendar Gallery, Optimizer, Honor Club, Clock, Notepad. We got some apps and games pre-installed. The good part is that you can uninstall them if you do not want to use any of these, and under tools you will find some nice useful applications like calculator, mirror, compass, weather, etc. If you go to the settings, here you can see that the Magic UI 4.2 is still very much similar to the Emotion UI in terms of appearance, and it comes with lots of options and features that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. So we will have a look on all of them in our later video, but as you can see that user interface is very smooth on our Honor X9 5G, but it is still running on Android 11. Hopefully it will get the Android 12 update very soon. Now talking about the camera, we got 48 megapixel primary camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel macro lens. So as I have mentioned so many times, I would like to repeat myself that instead of the 2 megapixel depth sensor or the macro lens, I will personally prefer if there was an ultra wide angle lens or a dedicated telephoto lens, especially considering the fact that in this price segment many of the smartphones come with at least ultra wide angle lens for sure, if not with the dedicated telephoto lens. So this is something we can consider as a drawback of the camera of Honor X9. And then on the front side we got a 16 megapixel front camera. Both rear and front camera can record 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps only. So once again, this is a drawback that there is no 4K recording or Full HD resolution video recording at 60 fps is provided on Honor X9. That is once again available on many other smartphones in this price segment. If you launch the camera app, this is the user interface you will see. So it comes with AI, we got some filters, flashlight, we got the photo mode, video mode, we got the dual view video recording, we got the portrait mode, we got the night mode, we got the aperture mode. So if you have a look on these UI and settings, once again you can get the idea that they are very much similar to the Emotion UI or the Magic UI when the Honor was actually part of Huawei. If you go to more, here you will find Pro Mode, Panorama, HDR, Time Lapse, Stickers, Super Macro. Dual view is separately provided here in the mode section as well. And then we got High Res and Story, where you can create some small video clips for your social media profiles. So let's capture a few images of this retail box here and let's see how good it's going to be in the auto mode here. So the image processing is really fast. So these are the pictures that we have just captured. Let's have a look on them. So we are getting good amount of details here, as you can see. So once again you can see that The camera of Honor X9 is capturing nice details. The color reproduction is also very nice and similar to the real subject here, the object. Once again, good amount of details we are getting, especially if you have a look on this part. The reflection of the light, the detailings we are getting on the retail box itself is quite nice. Here's a sample of the text. As you can see, it is slightly blurry because the camera was close to the text, so I guess for this kind of imaging we will have to use the dedicated 2 megapixel macro lens provided on Honor X9 5G. But at the first glance, the camera performance is looking good enough. But these are just the quick captures under the artificial light in this room. We will see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our detailed review of Honor X9 and also in the detailed camera review of the device. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. But at the first glance, the Honor X9 5G is looking a pretty solid mid-range smartphone as it comes with premium look and design. The build quality is nice. The 120Hz refresh rate display with huge screen to body ratio looks beautiful, and it comes with 66 watt fast charging with huge 4800 mAh battery. The Snapdragon 695 processor is also pretty capable, and we will see how good it's going to be in our benchmarking test video and the detailed gaming review of the device. So many more videos of Honor X9 5G are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, like the gaming review, camera review, benchmarking test review, comparison with other smartphones, etc. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.